handbag lovers. Thank you for joining me. A warm welcome back if you've been here before. And if this is your first time joining us, a special welcome to you as well. So guys, I'm very excited about this unboxing today because the Coach outlet just dropped their lightweight nylon bags. And this print is everything. It's just perfect for fall. You're gonna love this one, so please stay tuned. Okay, without further ado, let me get right in here today. So, I don't know if you guys are aware of, or if you've even started thinking about your bags that you use for fall, or maybe you're like many of us who really don't pay a whole lot of attention to it, but sometimes it's nice just to get the fall accessories and fall colors going. So really that's what this one's all about. So what I picked up, like I said, is from their new drop, which is their lightweight nylon. So let me share this print with you. So this first item is the Tote with the leopard print. And if you check around and look on various fashion sites, you will see that the leopard print is definitely a fall statement piece. Oh my goodness, check this out. So this is the Tote with leopard print. Let you get a better picture of that. And let me just do a quick overview. So this is item number C5668 from the Coach outlet site. This bag has leather on the front and a nice leather pocket, but I'm loving this red trim. So I'm thinking about the accessories I will match with this bag with this red trim, because I have a lot of cute accessories I can try out with this. I'm thinking I'm gonna use this bag like on a weekend getaway, because I think it'll be perfect for that, to store a couple days worth of clothing and accessories for the time being. So you can see it has the web strap and it is in black with red, but it also has this leather on the top, so that's very nice. She has a zipper on the top and it is trimmed, or the zipper and the hardware is in gold tone hardware. So let me take some of the stuffing out here so we can get a look inside. Okay, wanted to get some of this off too so you can get the whole effect here. But inside she has a back zip pocket. You see she has the Coach tag or Coach patch. Nice pocket there. And then, actually that was, yeah, and on the front she has two slip pockets, so she'll be perfect for the weekend getaway. She has the Coach hang tag in leather on the front. So very nice bag, and I am loving the leopard. I just cannot wait to take a trip just so I can show her off. Perfect for fall. What do you think, ladies? Very cute. They had a couple other totes available as well in this lightweight nylon, but this was my favorite because I thought it was perfect for fall. And then the next item that I picked up is, well, let me see. Before I go there, let me give you the dimensions of this bag. I'm so excited I'm not paying attention. So she does have feet on the bottom, which is nice. She has 4 feet at the bottom. She is made out of nylon, as I indicated, with the refined pebble leather on the front, the zipped top closure with fabric lining. This drop of the handles is 10 inches. She is 15.5 inches in length. She's 12.5 inches in width. But let me make sure I have that right. So she's 15 in length, 12.5 in height and 5 3/4 in width. So she's a nice size bag. She's gonna be perfect for me when I take her out. So now that I gave you that, I just can't, how pretty is this bag though? I just cannot wait to wear this bag. So, all right, back to the other items. So this is a matching, it's called a small Roxy cosmetic case. So this will be perfect to stick in my bag for overnight or weekend, whatever I want to call it. So you may have seen these before, but I thought it was nice to be able to get a matching little cosmetic case or carry-all. This is the nylon. It has zip closure with the red zipper tape, as you can see. No inside organization. She has fabric lining, and it is 6 inches in length, 3 3/4 inches in height, and 3 3/4 inches in width. So a perfect matching accessory. And this one is style number C5584. Okay, so then the next item that I picked up, actually I was going a little crazy with the leopard, but as you can see, it was just perfect. So I picked up this little wristlet if I want to use her to drop in the bag. So check her out. This is the corner zip wristlet with leopard print, and this particular item number is, or style number is 7303. She is in the printed coated cotton, and on the inside, let's see what's going on. She has 2 credit card slots. She has the zip top closure, as you saw, with the fabric lining. She has a leather wristlet strap as well. And her dimensions are 6 1/4 inches in length, or actually 6 1/4 inches in length, 4 inches in height, and 1/2 inch in width. And check her out, she has a little Coach written on the front as well. So let's check out all these little cuties together here. So this is the Tote with leopard print. Maybe I should have kept her stuffing in so she'd stand up for us for this ending shot. And then this is the the small Boxy cosmetic case with the leopard print. And then this is our corner zip wristlet. So beautiful, and I can't wait to pair her with some red accessories, and it's just gonna be cute. So thank you all for watching. Go check out coachoutlet.com. Like I said, they had 2 other patterns in this, but this leopard print, I am ready for the fall. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you to all my existing subscribers, and like and comment. Thank you so much. We'll talk soon.